Hello! Welcome to Learn and Master English Grammar with Teacher Rosh. Do you know the difference between who and whom? Are you confused about how they are used in sentences? Can you construct sentences with these pronouns? Well, if you don't have the answers to these questions, you better watch this video to learn all about how and when to use these pronouns. But before we move on to the lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends as well. Let's begin! The pronouns who and whom are used to refer to people. Who is used as the subject of a sentence, while whom is used as the object of a sentence. Here are some examples to illustrate the difference between the two. Who is at the house? In this sentence, who is the subject of the verb is. Whom did you meet at the restaurant? In this sentence, whom is the object of the verb meet. It can be a little tricky to know when to use who and when to use whom, especially because many people don't use whom in everyday speech. However, it's a good idea to use whom correctly in formal writing, as it will make your writing sound more polished and professional. Here are some tips to help you use who and whom correctly. If you can replace the pronoun with he or she, use who. For example, who is coming to the meeting? You could also say, he is coming to the meeting. If you can replace the pronoun with him or her, use whom. For example, with whom are you going to the restaurant? You could also say, you are going to the restaurant with her. Remember, who is used as the subject of a sentence, while whom is used as the object of a sentence. Now, let's practice. Complete the sentences by using who or whom. You may pause the video if you want more time to answer. Sentence number 1. Who or whom won the contest? The answer is, who won the contest? Sentence number 2. The person who or whom I saw at the park was my friend. The answer is, the person whom I saw at the park was my friend. Sentence number 3. Who or whom should I ask for directions? The answer is, whom should I ask for directions? Great work! I hope you have learned a lot today. If you have questions or you have a topic in mind, just comment down below and I'll do my best to make a video of your request. See you again, only here at Learn and Master English Grammar with Teacher Rosh. Bye!